How to run an Amazon promotion. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all you have to do is log into your Seller Central account and hover over the advertising menu on the top of the page. From the drop-down menu, choose Promotions. On the Promotions page, we will be using the initial Create a Promotion tab, which offers 4 choices: free shipping, percentage off, buy one get one, or giveaway. For our purpose here, we will choose percentage off. The create a promotion percentage off page is divided into 3 sections: conditions, scheduling, and additional options. We will begin with the first section, conditions. In the conditions section, choose the number of items a customer must purchase in order to get the discount from the at least this quantity drop-down menu. If you simply want to offer a coupon code for a single product, choose 1. For bulk discounts, choose 2 or more. Now choose create a new product selection at the end of the purchased items line. This will allow you to choose which products will be discounted. The next page should look like this. From the drop-down menu, choose SKU list, then create product selection. Now you can begin to tell Amazon which products to discount. On the create product selection page, enter the product selection name or tracking ID for a product. Include an internal description for your own use. Then enter the SKU number or numbers which are attached to the product you wish to discount. Once you submitted the SKUs, you will return to create a promotion percentage off page. From the purchased items drop-down, select the product list you just created. Then under buyer get, enter the percentage discount you want to offer, like 40 for a 40% discount. Make sure applies to is set to purchased items. If needed, use advanced option to exclude certain items or create tied discounts. Next, in the scheduling section, choose your promotion start and end date and time. Just remember that Amazon needs at least 4 hours from now to activate the promotion. Additional options, select the single use button. If you leave the default selection of none, every individual will receive your product for the discounted price whether they have the coupon claim code or not. If you select the group option, your promotion will have a single claim code, but the code can be used by multiple people. Once you have clicked on the single use button, more options will appear like this. Check the box next to one redemption per customer to limit every customer to a single discount. To create a claim code, you can allow Amazon to assign one randomly by clicking on suggest a code, or you may create your own. Click on the blue highlighted customize messaging link. This will open the following information. It is critical that you uncheck the box next to detail page display text. If you do not disable this default choice, every customer will be able to see the details of a promotion and coupon code on your listing. So that is it. Once you have chosen to submit the promotion, remember to allow 4 hours for the code to process. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.